So now we are going to talk about page 76, number 5a, which is 2 over root 2 minus 3. Okay, compare previous equation and this problem. Previous one, we have single term on the denominator, right? So everything was single term, even though it looks pretty complicated, like single term here. But now we have binomial here. In this case, even though we multiply root 2, is still the radical value remain on the denominator, so we cannot just multiply another root 2, something like that. Okay, then in order to make rational form of this one, what do we have to multiply? So if you think conjugate of the factor, then that is correct. If you do it, then this becomes 2 root 2 plus 6 over this become root 4 minus 9, right? Then it becomes 2 root 2 plus 6 over 2 minus 9. Therefore, the answer becomes 2 root 2 plus 6 over negative 7. That should be the answer for this problem. So let's look at another one, like a letter G, which is root x over root x plus root y. Even though there's no number, we apply exactly same property. Okay, then what is the conjugate of this one? Yeah, which is root x minus root y. Okay, if we do it, then become root x squared minus root xy over root x squared minus root y squared, which means x minus root xy over x minus y. That will be the answer for this problem. So what about J? J is root 5 minus root 2 over root 5 plus root 2 here, right? So as you see, this is still binomial. You are multiplying conjugate of this one, so which is root 5 plus root 2. Then this become now, minus. Then now the top part you will fold them out, and bottom one we can apply conjugate factoring formula. So this become root 25 minus root 10 minus root 10 plus root 4 over root 25 minus root 4. Then this become 5 minus 2 root 10 plus 2 over 5 minus 2. So this become 7 minus 2 root 10 over 3. That will be the answer for this problem.